Nice kitty, because I wouldn't do it.
No, I know.
How about you?
No, I wouldn't touch it.
All the windows with louvered windows.
Oh, right.
You gotta make happy. You gotta make it. You gotta manufacture. You gotta go into a lab literally and manufacture happy, or happiness will not show up. What is happiness? As Mike Tyson would always ask. Would always ask. What is happy? Well, happy is when your mind is at peace and you feel at liberty and you are proud of yourself for something that you have accomplished, something that you have achieved, and the sense of peace that you feel when family members, relatives, and loved ones are untouched and untamed by negativity, hatred, drug use, incarceration, slavery. Well, maybe happiness ain't achievable at this point then.
So you had fun?